What's up, guys? Found this app called ToolWiz, and I think it's pretty sweet. I kind of like the first effects that I've seen in here. Here's a shot from the other day. Whoops. Water reflection. I think this is really nice, man. So they, more than just the fade in and out, it's got a drop wave effect to make it more wavy. You can remove stuff, but also there was another way. There's tons of different wave, pebble, water reflection options, depending on what part of the ocean or water you want to be in. But this is pretty cool. And then where's this at, man? I was just messing with this. Yeah, that's it. I don't know why it's called intensity. I don't think I'd call it intensity myself. It's maybe slightly different to call it intensity, right? But yeah, I think that's pretty sweet, man. Let's use that. Go with that. Go with a save. Export quality. So most of this I've already edited in all my other favorite editing, but I'm just still checking this out, see what kind of is going on. Okay, that's interesting. I like that it's got the same kind of Snapseed effects. I mean, interface, to where Snapseed is just left and right on the dial, and then up and down. So it looks like I'm actually controlling the high tones. No, I'm not. Never mind. But this has got some potential. I like it. It's called ToolWiz again. Gives a nice fade there. That's pretty cool. You know, more yellows, more greens. Pretty easy way to adjust the curve that way. Sketched out. Nice fade. It's a pretty nice fade. But I guess that filters that filter. Most filters nowadays, you know, you can tap on them and change them, adjust them more or less. I guess we just can't in this mode. So that's pretty cool. And like I said, a lot of this HueSaturation, lighting, that's pretty nice saturation. Had a bunch of reds. So I actually, with all these other settings and mask, yeah, there it is. But it doesn't actually apply to the previous filters and stuff. Not sure I'm really digging this feature of it. Input output settings. So red, green, blues, you can alter all those. That's pretty cool. Highlight, shadows, daylighting. Bring up that exposure kind of deal, basically. Bring up the shadows. That's unique. Threshold, invert. inverted negative aspect. Pretty cool. Temperature. A whole bunch of preset temperature settings. Add a heart shape to the negative kind of deal. Let's go back. Mixing channels. Really versatile, man. Choose overlaying shape. You can mess with the curves if you want to. Decorate. Let's go back to the original. I do like that you can just tap for the original. A lot of other ones say like revert. I don't want to revert. Pretty cool. Change the location. So I approve. ToolWiz is actually, I dig it. Some of these settings, there's a lot to them. Quick sketch, turn it into a sketch, colored sketch. Not really my style. Frosted glass. Looking through a screen window, the splatter. This reminds me of looking through like a glass door on a shower enclosure. Let's see, granules. I'll pass. Granules, whoops. Frosted noise, fire effects. Okay. Talk about fire in the sky, frozen effects, unique. Crystal, yep, this is kind of like the Photo Lab or Mirror Lab, other ones that I've done. GTA 5? Really? Oh, really? Impression, that's gorgeous. I actually really like that one. Nice, man. I'm gonna save that one actually. Save. All right. Let's revert again. Back to the original. What kind of text does this thing have? I always want to see if they've got funky, cool. Yeah, not really the best presets for the text. Not my favorite. I'm not even gonna mess with that. Add a watermark here. Okay. Some unique watermarks. Oh my, I hope it doesn't stay pixelated like that. I guess it's not very great quality if you blow it up. I mean, that's a true way to do a friggin' watermark. I can't edit the watermark. Oh, I gotta put your watermark on my photo? Please say it ain't so. Add from drawings or my photos. Oh my gosh, who does this? Who adds a watermark for their app only that you can't edit? Oh my gosh. And it doesn't even offer these texts yourself? Right? Why would you have... Can I change? Alright, maybe it's in setting. Opacity, mix, mask. Oh my gosh, dude. Yeah, like I want your freaking app watermark on my freaking... Oh. Light leak, aperture, lens flare, blur, spatial, smart, soft focus, enhance. Well, this has already been enhanced, but what's it going to be like with a smart HDR additional enhance? It's going to look horrible. Maybe this has potential for the HDR, but since this is already slightly HDR in Snapseed, which is by far the best HDR app I've ever used, basically. I won't be using HDR pretty much anywhere else. Yeah, not my thing. Defog, clarify, art, a wall painting. A wall painting. Oh, I gotcha. If that's what my wall looked like, I'd want to hire somebody else. So this is a really versatile app. I think it's pretty decent quality. I'm liking that there's not tons of huge ads everywhere and stuff. So nice, guys. Portrait stuff, body slimming, face tone, skin, face change, face swap. Well, that's good. This is like a really comprehensive all-in-one editing tool. I can totally dig it, guys. So go check it out.